Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Hamsa Raja, Chartered Accountant, your trusted tarot reader, psychic, Reiki healer, Western astrologer and a crystal therapist. What if I told you that manifestation isn't about thinking positively or acting as if you already have it? Today, I'll reveal 3 forgotten ancient energy codes that can unlock your ability to manifest anything in just 21 days. Stay with me till the end. This could definitely change your life. The first energy code, the law of resonance before the law of attraction. You must have heard about the law of attraction. But what actually governs manifestation is the law of resonance. Attraction is the effect, but resonance is the cause. Your aura or your electromagnetic field constantly broadcasts a frequency based on your deepest beliefs and emotions. You don't get what you think about. You get what your energy resonates with. How do we activate this code? You can practice daily energetic hygiene like clearing of stagnant emotions or old fears. You can work on emotional transmutation like turning jealousy into inspiration, fear into faith, anger into empowerment. Focus on cleaning your vibration first and then setting intentions. An affirmation that will help you would be, you are not attracting from your mind. You are attracting from your electromagnetic heart. Energy code 2, void state manifestation. Now, very few of you might be having knowledge about this because almost you can find this nowhere in any of the videos. Most people try to manifest by holding on tightly to their desires, but the true creation happens in the void, that is, in the space of no thing. In ancient spiritual teachings, it is said that before creation, there must be emptiness. The most powerful manifestors allow themselves to drop into a 0-point stillness where desire dissolves and then reality reconstructs around their purest essence. How can you activate this code? Firstly, you can practice stillness by sitting for 5 to 10 minutes daily, focusing on your pure presence without wanting anything. Feel full, whole and complete without your manifestation. Now this collapse of craving creates a vacuum and the energy rushes to fill this. An affirmation that will help you is, it is in this moment that you truly release whatever is stopping you and that manifestation is going to rush to you. Energy code 3, command reality using language of light. We can also call this as sound codes. Specific sounds and frequencies can reprogram the quantum field faster than thoughts alone. Now, how do you activate this code? You can chant sacred sounds daily during manifestation work. You can use sounds like I am or Soham, which means I am that, or even personal light language if you feel it channeling naturally. You can play 432 Hz, 528 Hz frequencies while visualizing your desire. I've shared a link for you in the description box below, so be sure to check it out after this reading. You can also listen to them before sleeping. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about resonating, releasing, and rewriting the energetic blueprint inside you. Activate the true codes, that is the resonance, void state, and the sound commands, and you will collapse time and align with your highest destiny faster than you can ever believe. If this video awakened something inside you, hit like, subscribe and comment, I am the creator below, because you are. Your reality is waiting to be shaped by you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you can never miss any cosmic update from me. I'll see you in the next exciting episode very soon. Till then, love and light.